Hello friends, myself Dheeraj Abhimam Birari from NTMP's KBTCU Nasik at Information Technology Department. Today I am going to explain the topic of Introduction to UML. Today's outline of the topic is building blocks of UML, things in UML. There are four things of UML: structural thing, behavioral thing, grouping things, annotational thing, different types of models in UML, different diagrams in UML, OOAD methodology. Also, it is known as RUP, Rational Unified Process. First one is the UML building blocks. UML building blocks consist of three types. First one is a UML common mechanism, diagrams included in the UMLs, and things in UML. There are the four types of things in UML. First one is a structural thing, second is a behavioral thing, next one is an annotational thing, and next one is a grouping thing. Different types of models in UML. There are three types of model in UML. First one is object model, second is a class model, and next one is a state model. Different types of diagrams in UML. There are two types of diagram. Next one is a structural diagram and second is a behavioral diagram. The structural diagram consists of class diagram, object diagram, component diagram, deployment diagram, package diagram, composite structure diagram, profile diagram. In behavioral diagram consists of use case diagram, activity diagram, state machine diagram, and interaction diagram. This interaction diagram also divided into four types. It consists of sequence diagram, interaction overview diagram, timing diagram, and communication diagram. Object oriented analysis and design methodology, it is also known as RUP. This process is totally depends upon SDLC. SDLC stands for Software Development Lifecycle. The same as the waterfall model. There are some basic UML. There are three basic elements of UML. First one is the requirements. Requirements is totally depends upon the use case diagram. System structure, it is a part of the class diagram and collaboration diagram. System behavior, it is a part of the interaction diagram, activity diagram, and state chart diagram. System behavior is totally depends upon the behavioral modeling, and the system structure is depends upon the structural behavioral, means structural model, and requirement is a part of the use case diagram. What is a model? Simplification of reality, that's mean the high level logical representation of a system, it called as model. This is an aeroplane model. There are multiple models available: airline reservation system model, college management system. This is one type of model. Railway reservation system is one type of model. Restaurant management system is one type of model. It is basically depends upon the simplification of reality. It depends upon the high level logical representation of a particular system. It is called as model. There are multiple types of models available. What is advantages of creating a model? First advantage is permits you to specify the structure or behavior of a system. This is the first advantages of creating a model. Helps you to visualize a system, means imagination of the system. Third one, provides template that guides you in constructing a system. It is useful for construction purpose. Helps to understand the complex system part by part. Main advantages of this creating a model: helps to understand the complex system part by part. Suppose we have to draw a class diagram for college management system. In college management system consists of the multiple classes. Suppose one class is a principal, HOD, student, librarian, accountant. There are staff, multiple staff, and teaching, non-teaching. Each and every big system we have to divide part by part. That means the one complex system we have to divide in single part. It is called as understand the complex system part by part. Document the decisions that you have made. We have to take lots of decisions with the help of this model. There are four principles of modeling. The model you can choose influence how the problem is attacked. There are multiple types of model. First one is process model, deployment model, design model, implementation model, and use case model. It is depends upon the model you can choose influence how the problem is attacked. It is depends upon the problem definition. Second is every model may be expressed at different levels of precision. Precision means correctness and accurateness is important for developing each and every model. The best model are connected to reality. Each and every model connected to the particular real condition. For example, online banking system, airline reservation system, college management system, restaurant management system, project management system. There are each and every base model are connected to reality. No single model is sufficient. That means each and every model, that means process model, deployment model, implementation model, use case model, design model included in the each and every system. What is UML? UML is a graphical language for building object-oriented analysis and design. That's mean OOAD models. That's mean object-oriented analysis and design model. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. Standardized by Object Management Group. That's mean OMG in 1997 and in 2005 standardized by ISO. In 1990s, three different OOAD modeling techniques developed. The first technique is OMT, Object Modeling Techniques by James Rambo. OOAD, Object Oriented Analysis and Design by Grady Booch. OOAC, Object Oriented Software Engineering by Ivar Jacobson. What is UML? UML used to model diverse range of system, enterprise information system, web-based system, mobile application system. These are the some applications of UML. UML used for the real-time operating system. It is used for the enterprise system. It is used for the management information system. It is used for the web-based system. It is used for the banking system, defense system. It is used for project development, restaurant management system, airline reservation. There are multiple applications of UML. The UML is a language used for visualization purpose, specification purpose, construction and documenting. These are the basic four importance of this UML language. UML diagrams. UML diagrams are used to create the different types of models. The different diagrams represent the view of the system. Use case diagram views the relationship between actor and use cases. Activity diagram shows the real-time runtime activity performed the particular users. Class diagram represent the particular class name, its attributes and its methods or operation and its relationship between with the help of different types of links such as aggregation, association, composition, dependency, realization. And sequence diagram indicates the flow of the particular object with two directional. Advantages of UML. UML is a language standardized used for the define the rules, syntax and semantics of the UML diagrams. In UML diagrams, we have performed models as per the syntax is given. That's when the problem statement is given. The benefits diagram created by company and person can be understood by other company person. That's mean easy to explain. UML is a language for visualization purpose. Visualize a system from different angles, structures and behavior. That's mean use case view. High level conceptual understanding. Understand the component of a system and their interaction. It is part of the imagination. UML is a language for specification, building models that are precise, that means correct and accurate, unambiguous and is complete in nature. Specify all the analysis and decision with the help of its specification. Specify requirements, structure, behavior and implementation details in the specification. Construction. UML model map to different target programming languages like Java, C++ and .NET. We have to convert our class diagram, object diagram, state diagram, sequence diagram into a different target programming language like Java, C++ and .NET. It is used for the code generation. Code generation helpful for the forward engineering. There are two types of engineering, forward engineering and reverse engineering. This code generation which are useful for the forward engineering. In case 2 like IBM Rational Software, BOML, Star UML, Visual Paradigm, Emacs Draw, eDraw Main, there is a multiple tools which are used to draw the UML diagram. It is useful for the constructing purpose. UML for document taking. The healthy software, that means CMM ISO standard base. The produces all the artifacts, parts of the executable code.